Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another concept skin for Among Us. This time it's gonna be my version of Boba Fett. So here's my full sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this little concept, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin for this one, we're going to draw in the overall shape of the body first, and then we'll add in the details. It's going to be a little different from the other Among Us characters. Alright, so we're going to draw in the top of the head first. So just drawing like a little dome shape. We'll close that off first. And now let's come down on the sides here. Just come down, and let's see, this is going to be the belt area right here, and now just close it off. And then from here we can add in one section here, so this will be for the belt. And then now we can join the legs. So when I come down on this side, come down a little bit longer, and this side's going to be a little bit shorter. Okay, so just stop a little bit short. We'll come in from both sides. Come up here and then go straight across, and then we'll close this off. So that's going to give us the shape of the legs, and then we're going to continue with this line. Okay, so this one's on the back. So now that we have the overall shape, now we can add in the details. Okay, so right here we're going to draw in the visor area. Just give it a little bit of space right here. Come straight across. Now come to the middle of this line right here. Come down. straight down. Come across here about halfway, and then go back up. And then from these 2 points right here, we'll slant up. Then just close it off. And this one's just gonna reach to the edge. Okay, and then from this point here, we'll just slant up. Again, same thing here. It's almost the same slant as this line here. Okay, and then for some little details right here, from here to here, just one smooth curve. Same thing here. This one's gonna go out just to the sides. And let me shade this in real quick so we can see this visor area a little bit better. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of a highlight right here. Okay, so that's the face mask area. And then now I'm gonna come down right here just to give it a little bit more detail. Come down right about to the middle of this, come down, and then just close that off. In the middle of this, we'll just add in 2 lines. And then just divide up this area. So this will be kind of center of the belt. All right, and then to finish up the hip area, from this point here, we'll just slant up. Come to right around here, and then again, same thing, just slant up. And then lastly, on the legs, we can add in, I'm just gonna add a little line here on the bottom. And then for the knee pads right here, you can join 2 lines like this first, and then just kind of come down, round it out. All right, so that's the overall body, and now let's add in the arms. I'm gonna come to the belt area, just come out. Just one little slant like this first. At a 90-degree angle, just go all the way out. And now I'm gonna hook this back. About halfway of this, come down, and then again, just close it off. So that's gonna be the kind of the forearm area. All right, and then now for the hand, I'm gonna come down right here. Just one little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. Come down. Just round this out. Just tuck it right underneath the thumb. And we can add in a little bit of a blaster right here on the top. Just one little rectangle. All right, and then now for this one, it's gonna be a little bit different. Just come down to the side of the belt again, give it a slight curve. Slant down almost 90 degrees. And then we'll start on the bottom right here. Just one little hook. Come down, same angle as this. And then we'll just close that off. So we're seeing this at a slightly different angle from this. And then right here for the hand, just gonna curve. And then for the thumb right here, I'm just curve it, just tuck it in. All right, so we're keeping it really simple. And then now for the cape, so I'm gonna start right here. So just have it free flowing out, and it doesn't have to be exactly the same. We're gonna come back down to all the way here. And as we're connecting this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a jaggedy edge to it. All right, and then to add in some extra folds right here, just taper it in nice and sharp. All right, so that's it. And then for the little, I think the laser or some kind of laser sight up there, right on the side right here, right on the edge, just draw like a really thin bar. I know mine's a little bit wobbly right here. And then on the top here, adding a little rectangle, maybe a little bit sharper on the sides. Alright, so that is it for my version of Boba Fett for Among Us. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.